right, it's a shop day today. However, we're not going to be working on any machines today. I finally broke down and got something I probably should have got, or actually probably needed to get a long time ago, especially now that I'm getting up there in years and bending over, working on my knees is no longer as kind to me as it used to be. I finally broke down. We got a motorcycle and ATV lift. This is the Black Widow 1,000-pound. I almost got the 1,500-pound one, but I thought, well, the biggest thing I'm putting on there is four-wheelers. They haven't got to be over 1,000 pounds yet. And if we got to upgrade it, we can always upgrade the Ram later. But we'll get this thing uncrated and get it together and probably test it with the Recon, because if you guys saw the last video, it wasn't running right. I messed around the carb, but didn't fix it. I got a good carb on there now. It's running right, but there is knocking in the motor now that I can hear it. And after you drive it for a while, it just kind of loses power, and it's kind of seems like it's losing compression. So we are going to have to probably pull the motor apart, take a look at things. So I figured now's the perfect time to get an ATV lift in here, so I can get it up out off the ground a little bit and not have to bend over working. So let's get this guy uncrated and let's get it put together. Alrighty, so I got the side extensions for this guy too. So this is basically their motorcycle lift. It'll have the clamp for the front wheel and everything. And then I got the optional side extensions to widen it out to 4 feet, so then it should work for pretty much any four-wheeler that I want to throw on there. So this is all just the side extensions here. We can pull them off for now. Oh geez, even these guys are pretty heavy. Oh, come on. Get up there. Ouch! Drop first blood? Not quite yet. From downtown! Oh, way short. What's this? This will have to go up to the burn pile.
That'll be fast.
Oh, boy. Woo! Yeah.
That's a lot that could fit on it.
Access hatch. Set it right there.
It goes right through. Ow, it's sticky.
We got instructions.
You never need those. There's some fun to
General guidelines. It is the user's responsibility to read and follow all instructions. Whoever said I was responsible? Woo. Come on now. Watch all the little nails.
Just do that to the other side, Daddy.
No, I only need.
It has wheels.
Yeah, it has wheels. Let's just get it out. Roll it. And it even should come here with a little handle that hooks in under that you can lift it up and move it.
That it takes. They're both bleeding. You need to have it off.
Let's set this somewhere where they can come crashing down and scare me later.
Where it? Oh.
Alright, there's the pedal assembly. This is probably for
It just kicked.
the wheel chock.
It just jumped at you like,
Over
nope.
here. Just so you guys know, this thing weighs about 500 pounds. That's not too bad, actually.
Oh, look, it's this thing.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It has wheels. That's the reason why.
I guess 100-some pounds of it's the extension pieces. Okay.
Oh, I'm calling this.
Well, let's try the little lifty guy. I'm gonna put this guy kinda right. Well, as far as I can tell, everything's together to make it work. Now let's tough. Let's see what happens if I put air to it.
It's gonna pop up.
Let's see.
Lock.
Well, it should pop up. Now, the question is my hose end the right end? Oh, yeah. Oh, she's ready to go. Look at that. This is the wheel shock for motorcycles.
Yep.
Oh, and I like that the part that clamps the motorcycle tires lined with rubber so it can pinch and not mar up your rims.
No, I didn't. But go with the screws.
Yeah, they're probably in that guy over there.
Oh, that's
I'll have to bolt this together.
There's a red handle.
Oh, this stuff is freezing. I think that red handle goes on the lock.
It's so cold.
I like those guys pretty much together.
You just gotta plug the hose in and then you can space
Does
it.
that seem fairly level right there? It's level enough. She's tilted a little bit, but we may have to add a shim or something to level it up. The concrete slopes right there. Ramp.
Yeah, I'm installing this.
That can just go to the side for now. Is that what it goes with?
Why is our grease on that already? Oh, it's right there.
Yep, that's your red lock handle. Perfect. This is a stationary one, so it's gonna go probably right there.
And there's
Here,
two different screw sizes.
yeah. If you want to sort these, bud, by size, while I look through these instructions.
There.
All right, so I take it these four are for this guy.
And these four are for the base.
Let's get this out of the way.
That goes on.
There's two different positions you can put it. Let's put it on the farthest.
Because we only have two air lights.
Yeah. Okay, and then finally, all right, so there's the main lift. Let's open up the side skirts.
Oh wow, Daddy, that is nice. It takes like 6 years to put it out.
Let's check out the side extensions. Watch yourself. It even comes with little ramp extensions. Okay, so this is going to be easy enough. Why are there these? These guys are off there. Okay, so this is, I can bolt this right fast to the other piece of ramp, so that's cool.
How heavy is it?
All by itself, it's not bad.
Everything else that's heavy. Look, it comes with a giant hole and then the tiny holes.
Okay. Hole goes in the back for the ramp extension. Goes through. That's good. That's good. Just enough to hold it.
Do the one side then.
Push. See, I don't like that too much. Like I said, I'm probably gonna end up either.
This broke.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a lot. I'll probably end up welding this together, to be honest with you guys. But for now, it's all right.
That should also help line up the end pieces too.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Watch the tip piece.
Oh wow.
You know what? I am going to slide this way. 'Cause I still have plenty of room to get around. Yeah. I guess since we're together now, we might as well throw the Recon up on there. Oh, it's gonna be so nice.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice. There it is.
Wow. It's so tall now.
Cool beans. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm glad to finally have this to save my back and knees a little bit. So now, on the next video, we're probably tear into the Recon here. I'm hopeful that maybe it's just the valves need adjusted, because it'll run okay when it's cold, but after a couple minutes, it just loses all power. And I can hear air escaping from somewhere, which tells me like maybe a valve sticking and not closing the whole way, so I'm losing my compression. So we will tear into the head of this in the next video and see if that is indeed what's going on. So I'm super excited to finally have a table lift for the four-wheelers and motorcycles. This will be nice too, because once we're done with this, I plan on bringing my old Suzuki GS 450 street bike in. We'll throw it on here and see if I can get it running then too. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I thank you for all your support, whether it's through the members program, buying my merchandise from my Teespring store, or simply just subscribing and liking each video. I appreciate it. It helps support the channel. It helps me grow so I can do more fun stuff like work on these old Hondas. So again, until next time, keep on riding, and thanks for watching.